Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Login Aids. In today's video, I'm going to guide you guys on how to fix can't refresh feed on Instagram. Make sure to watch the video till the end and you'll be able to do it in no time. First of all, make sure you're connected to a network service, either Wi-Fi or cellular. For that, tap open your settings. In the settings page, you'll be able to see whether you're connected with your Wi-Fi and cellular. If you're not connected to any Wi-Fi, tap open your cellular, which is on the fourth option. After tapping open cellular, you'll be redirected to a page something like this, and you'll have to select the cellular data option in the first option and tap any cellular line you prefer. After that, go back to your settings page, and in the settings page you can see airplane mode in the first option beneath your name. You'll have to toggle on and toggle off that option. Doing that will reconnect your network again in your phone. After that, go back to your home screen, and in the home screen tap open a web browser of your choice. In the search bar, type in Instagram down. After you type Instagram down, then tap go on the right bottom of your screen, then you'll be redirected to a page something like this. Tap on downdetector.com link. After that, you'll be redirected to a page where you can see if there is any server down in Instagram within the 24 hours. If the server is down, you'll have to wait until Instagram fixes it. If that's not the case, in the search bar, type in internet speed test. After that, tap in any link that pops up, and in the link, you'll be able to see your internet speed. Anything above 5 Mbps is sufficient to use Instagram. If your internet speed is below 5 Mbps, then you'll have to get your internet fixed. If it is above 5 Mbps, then you're good to go to the next process. Go back to your home screen again and tap open settings. In the settings page, scroll until you find a general. After you find it, tap on general. In the general page, you will have to scroll to the bottom of the page. In the bottom of the page, you can see the option of shutdown and tap on shutdown. After you shut down your phone, restart your phone again. After that, go back to the general page bottom again and tap in transfer or reset iPhone. After that, tap on reset above erase all contents and settings. After that, a menu like this will pop up on your screen, and you'll have to tap on reset network settings in the second option. This will reset your network settings and reconnect it again. After that, go back to the general page again and tap in iPhone storage in the first option, third sector. After you're in the iPhone storage page, it might take a while to load. Then scroll until you find Instagram. After you find it, tap on it. Then you'll be redirected to a page something like this where you can see offload app option. This will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. After offloading, tap on reinstall app again, and your app will be reinstalled in a matter of few seconds. So this might fix your problem. So that's it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.